Being a blogger is one of the easiest ways to earn money from home. Unlike any other job, if you are blogging from home you don't need to work 9 to 5. You can work at any time of the day with ease. But beware. Blogging takes time before you start earning. Jump into this field slowly. If you have a day job, don't quit yet. Start part-time with your blog. Once it is on the stage where it is earning you more than your comfortable limits, then the best time to turn into full-time blogging mode. Grade 4. People who love writing and like to share their knowledge and expertise. Skill set needed. Ability to express knowledge in writing with a simpler yet efficient way. Time required. The time required depends upon your level of expertise. If you are an expert, you can easily start blogging within a few hours. For a complete, a day or two would be sufficient. Tips. 1. Start a blog about something in which you are really good at. For example, if you love traveling and you have visited a lot of places, then start a blog. 2. Always try to limit your blog to a particular domain. Don't put content on multiple domains in one blog. For example, writing about recipe tips on a fashion blog. Keep your blog specific to one domain only. 3. Using your experience and expertise, try to create unique and phenomenal content. Try to give a lot of value to your readers. Write about something that will make a difference in your reader's life. 4. Listen to the readers of your blog. Try to solve the problems they are facing. Always make them feel better. 5. Be committed to your blog. A blog is like a relationship. Give it some love, and it will flourish. Ignore it, and it will die a death. There's no point in being half-hearted in your blogging efforts. If you don't care about it, why should anyone else? 6. Think about content, style, the tone of voice, audience, etc. Look at the people who are already doing what you're planning to do. Ask yourself the following question. How will I stand out from the crowd? What can I say that hasn't already been said? What's my unique selling point? Why do I want to do this? 7. Be professional in the way you handle and grow your blog. Don't criticize other brands, bloggers, or people. Remember, what goes around comes around. You don't want something you've said to come back and bite you one day. 8. Be open-minded and willing to collaborate with other creatives. You'll meet some fantastic and awe-inspiring people. Earn by. You can monetize your blog by recommending products or services related to your blog's topic, either by writing an informative article or placing banner ads on your blog's relevant pages. You can earn handsome commissions when a person buys a product recommended by you. Another way is you can place Google AdSense ads on your blog. More people click on your ads, more money you will make. Thank you for watching. See you on the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.